This is not a good Dollar Tree Christmas craft, and I'm going to show you why. I used 2 ornate wood stars from Dollar Tree to make this light up star, and 1 little wood cube from a pack of little wood cubes from, you guessed it, Dollar Tree. First, I hot glued the cube to the middle of 1 star. Then I ran a small string of remote-controlled, battery-operated fairy lights through a hole in the star and wound the string of lights around the cube. Are you starting to see why this isn't going to be good? I secured the end of the lights to the rest of the bunch with a little dab of hot glue. Then I put another dab of hot glue on the cube and pressed the other star against it. Here it is, a light-up wood star that only cost me $3.75 to make. And here are 5 of them in our guest bedroom, twinkling away without a single care in the world or in the night sky. So you see now why this is not a good Dollar Tree Christmas craft. Because this very well may be the best Dollar Tree Christmas craft. It's cheap, it's easy, it has lights, and it looks more magical than Santa riding a unicorn across a rainbow made of pixie dust. Follow us for more fun and easy holiday crafts and DIYs.